Si ano yun, si Kabote. Pucha, bigla-bigla na lang tumatayo eh. Ba, kayo ang magkasama sa lane.
Good news ba yun o bad news?
Kaya
Good news yun.
Good news yan, good news.
Mananalo.
Ikaw muna,
Play.
Bay.
5 seconds.
Sige,
4,
sige.
3, you get it.
Sige, magkamatayan na.
Your pick.
Uy,
Yun.
teka lang.
Sir Chief.
Punch.
Ano ba maganda dyan? Anti-mage to, anti-mage.
5 seconds.
5 seconds remaining.
Ay, wala palang anti-mage. Walang anti-mage.
Task. Oh, punch.
Aba, puro melee ah.
Ano ba to? Ano ba to? LC... Ano ba yan?
LC3
Sira
ata.
pala ulo niya.
Humi po!
Ay,
To
Smurf
Smurf?
yan o sobrang throw.
Tayo naman yung, tayo naman yung may Smurf.
Depende yan. Smurf o sobrang throw.
Manyak eh. Ito mo nang kikis ng puwet yung picture.
Doon pala si Axe Ketchum yung ano.
Dali.
Axe Ketchum.
Yun no? Oh, 76, 74. Parang
Yeah.
ano lang. Parang OKC. Oh.
The Moon Rider has arrived. Yes.
Ito, first blood na tayo dito.
All
Legit?
get ready.
Atik.
Bahala
Let's
kayo dyan.
go.
Legit?
Legit.
Legit.
Yes.
Hindi ako na mag-predict. Kada predict ko talo.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Illuminated.
Yun no?
The night sees all. Now that's what I'm talking about. Quickly now.
Uwi po. Ato.
Oo. LC with the
Stalking.
safe lane. Safe lane ata yung ungas na yan.
All right, everybody,
30
30 seconds.
seconds to battle.
By starlight. On the prowl.
Swap mo nga.
Sige.
Absolutely.
Eclipse? Wala?
Far the night.
Go, go, go!
Eh, nagkasabay-sabay yung mga stun.
Grabe ka na, Maloy!
Sabi nga si Maloy.
Kuya Maloy.
Plan. On the hunt.
Visit din to. Nakikin-nether swap din to.
What do you see? We ride.
Ay, MK buiset. Saan MK tinapat na sa akin?
Absolutely. Attack.
Bablock ko muna,
Bakit
Bia.
naman po? Diyan patch ba task? Hindi ko napansin.
Well, your courier.
That's fun.
Yeah, they knew what they were getting into when they took that job.
On the
Pagay.
Hindi marunong layan ko. Tapos patay tayo dyan. Wala akong lasit.
May persona ba yun?
Meron. Ba't mo natan?
Tower's under attack there.
You want to
They say
If
history
the
is written
beacon
by the
goes up.
victors. So
Yun.
you might save yourself a writing
Pasok.
assignment here.
Buisit naman. Bakit naman MK?
Knight Silver.
Ba't ka naman may
Wala
call?
lang. Hindi yung ano yung kanina. Kaya call pinindot ko.
For Dark Moon.
Okay, okay. Habang
Baka makatakbo
nag-finish.
eh. Under tower na lang. Sorry.
Red Moon.
Last hit? Wala?
Ay,
Bawal
buset.
pala. Sige.
We ride.
O sige, hero pa lang. O sige, wala pa na last hit dun ha. Buong wave ha.
Illuminate.
Ang hirap eh. Hindi na ako sanay lumasin.
Top, may naka-smile.
Into
Ulo,
ours.
gogo, dinala ako.
Chewy.
I'm under attack.
Paalala ko lang ha.
Heads
Right.
up.
Alright. May jinggoy.
Quickly now. On the prowl. Slice.
Aray!
Takbo, takbo boy.
Talagang tatakbo ako. Gago ko pala eh. May baba akong choice. Sino naman nabilo ko item?
Blessings upon a loyal warrior. Hiya!
Para sa'yo.
Yes.
Courier.
Let's go. Yes. Stalking. For the cause.
Mamatay,
Jinggoy.
mamatay.
Illuminate.
Kaya pa yan.
Yeah, boy.
On the prowl.
Wala pa akong 2, 1.
Wag, 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 wag.
Buisit.
Oh,
Absolutely.
Wala tayong choice. Talagang wag.
baka sumakabilang buhay ako.
With
Mahirap na.
pleasure. Salamene command.
Help! Help!
What do you see? Yes. Let's go.
Ang galing. Di na
Teka, teka, teka.
Wala tayong choice. Ano, mahuhook din ako.
Let's go. Hiya!
Kajingo.
Unworthy.
Jinggoy.
Try to run.
Legit.
Yes.
Deny. Hiya!
Buisit.
We
Patience lang, patience.
Ang galing. May shield.
crescent steel.
Paka. Tabi eh. Di ko
Who dares?
Peter ka.
Taste my steel.
Buisit, nakuha pa.
The night.
Okay. Okay.
Night settles in.
Ah, okay.
Attack
Papaluin ako ni Jinggoy.
Buisit.
on the
Ay.
Hindi ako knock nun, patay.
Kaya nga.
far the night.
MB.
Michael Bublé.
Salamene command.
Kabawi si, ano,
It's happened. Good
si Jinggoy ah.
burials.
Buisit. Nice. Pudge is missing! Pudge is missing!
Your middle tower might need a
Middle
little
tower
attention.
is under attack.
You fortified your
Radiant structures are fortified.
Heads up.
middle tower.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Don't like your odds here.
This will hurt.
Popping time! Reset.
Piercing light.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye! Hindi ako majinggoy,
Pagka wala,
ako
di tayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Reset ka, Jinggoy.
Pagay ko.
Ano ka na naman, boy?
Illuminate.
Umikot ka! Trump na parang trumpo! Aray ko! Buisit, ayaw umikot eh.
Hindi umikot, B. Hindi ba yan?
Dalawa lang. Patay sana yung Pudge.
On the hunt.
The middle tower's
Damot mo naman sa ikot, boy.
Yeah, that doesn't look good.
The
Level
moon
5,
waxes,
level 5,
and
level 5.
absolutely
Pucha.
Mahuhuk na naman tayo.
by starlight.
Buti pa. Pagkalaban talaga pa yung husay ano.
Just
Kaya nga.
Buisit na buhay yan.
unworthy.
Pagkakampi, tatanga-tanga eh.
Kamainis.
Ayan, may ano. May po.
Sige. Pinabait ko lang.
Plan. Here.
Pakak!
Incoming.
Buisit ka.
Pakak!
Yes.
Makakaret ka!
Wala. Yan talaga buhay.
Into battle.
Tapa daw.
Thanks.
Middle tower might
Tama ka
need
na.
a little attention.
Quickly now.
Hello, pinaalis. Siguro nagpipigil na lang kanina.
Leave my lane! Leave my
Keyway na nga eh.
lane!
Umait na nga tayo eh. Diba?
Ah! So help me God.
Yes. On the prowl.
Hindi ako na dyan.
Here. Catch.
Naku.
What do you see? Lucid beam.
Buisit, wala pang na-stock.
May fudge.
Soul.
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
Is under attack.
You are not going to
We
like this.
ride.
They are really tearing that thing to pieces.
Your middle tower is taking a drubbing.
Boom. Swerve mo si Mipo. Congratulations.
They will find my blade sharp and cool. Quickly now.
Uy! Grabe naman yun. Galing naman mag-hook nun. Buisit na yan. Galing mag-hook.
What can you do, bro?
Sana naman lahat ng patch ganun.
Kuya, kaya nang stuck sa triangle.
Okay.
You laid the boots to that thing. Nice work.
Baka lang-
Your middle tower might need a little attention.
Dito na sila. Nag-asik na sila ng lagim. Ba't kita? Saan warded? Dito yan.
Papunta ako.
Dito sila. Tatake yata nila.
Yes.
Bastos.
Ayun na. Napalaban na ang kalahok.
Na-dodge!
Out.
I'm under attack.
Shit! Ako pa mamamatay, boy!
Andiyan yung Mipo. Andiyan yung Mipo.
You will have your vengeances here.
Oh, gago. Sinampak ako.
You won't escape.
Boom.
Kung sa paki namin ulo nyo, putang ina nyo. Ay, sorry.
On the
Grabe naman yung Axe. Sino ba yan?
Ayaw mo. Nilasit pa talaga. Pwede naman ibigay.
Sayang naman yung ano ko, passive ko.
Okay.
What do you see?
Salanan pa namin ngayon nagka-passive ko.
Absolutely.
Patulong nga ako dito.
Illuminated.
Aray ko, kote.
Kelp. Help this guy.
Hindi lang, kaya niya yan.
Try to
Bottom
run.
tower's under attack.
Ay! Grabe naman yung kilon! Bayad na bayad, putik!
Hell out of that thing.
Ang husay!
Oo.
Ang husay
Lagi.
naman nun.
Hindi mas
Hindi
talaga.
loko.
Stand the dragon.
Multi akong ko to pag nabwisit ako.
Wag. Magpigil.
11 seconds ako, kuya.
Hoy, wag na takihin.
Kaya na kaya?
Ah,
Dumating
na.
ka pa. May kagaw ka pa XP. Buisit.
all good yung down.
Far the night.
Uy, grabe naman yung patch na yun. Ayoko nga muna
swap na to.
mag-aggressive.
Illuminated.
Galing.
Let's
Kasi
go.
naliligaw ako.
Buisit. Kala ko ba hard support to? Buisit.
Yes.
Padugi-dugi lang naman sa mid.
The night sees all.
Dogger, rekta.
Salamene commands. What?
I have dagger na.
Tara, smoke.
Quickly now.
Pwede.
Tiping mo kaya? Yan.
Stalking. I'll see your entrails
Si ano, si Mipo.
by starlight.
Mips are gonna join Mips.
Kaya naman natin may finger eh.
Oh, go.
We ride. Haha.
Yan o.
Uy, hindi ko nalasit.
Walang mana. Hindi ako pag-finger.
Uh-oh. Dyer's fortified their structures.
Yeah. I got you guys.
Back hole. Okay.
Uy, si Tas.
Your middle tower might be
Boom, nakita ko na.
Another one.
might want to look into your bottom tower.
Another one.
Salamene commands.
Takot eh.
Isang swap lang, boy.
Hiya!
May mamamatay talaga. Sige, samahan lang natin to. Baka
No
tumanga eh.
mercy. Illuminated. Yasha. Absolutely.
MK.
MK oh.
Sa Raul.
Tara.
Yes.
Wala,
Nag-jungle.
nag-jungle. Teka, pag
May
ginawa.
watcher tayo dun.
Yes.
Uy, nagpop.
No mercy.
Ito, sa puno. Call dito, sa puno.
Ay, shit!
Ito oh.
Good stuff.
Kaya very low ako.
The middle tower's
Wet
sad
pleasure.
pile.
Ay, nako.
Lunar light.
Sila yun, dyan na.
I'm on your
Nako.
attack.
Oh, no.
That's
Wala na naman siyang mana.
Masama pa yung...
Wala na ako sariling feeling. Uy, na-dodge.
Dodge? Hindi sinundan?
Pwede stun nyo.
Nagkasim ako.
Pwede pala yun.
Lab na lab ako ng pad siya. Buisit na yan.
Sorry, tampalin ko ulo mo.
no time to lose.
Yung Ox kasi, ayaw mag-call.
Come.
Doon
Nasa
eh.
puno
doon
nga
ako sa
eh.
ano.
Salamene
Nasa puno
commands.
nga ni.
I want to look into your bottom tower. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I don't like your
Huwag mo mukha mo. Tangina mo.
Miles
Sir.
above the hunt.
bottom tower's under attack there. Oh, they are
For
really taking it to you
Salamene.
there.
Necro.
We ride.
Bottom tower's
Your
under attack
bottom
there.
tower is under
Let's
attack.
go. Good plan.
Mahal ng papel ng manta.
Stalking.
Gracias, amigo.
Who's there? Yeah.
Level 11, LC.
Smoke tayong tatlo.
Let's
Clear ko lang to.
Yun, patay.
On the hunt.
What?
What do you
So yun, necro na lang. Kaya ba natin yan?
Oh, kaya burst. Puro magic naman tayo.
quickly
Pupunta doon
now?
sila yun.
Pwede ako
Ako
mag
dito.
twin gate sa baba.
I'll see your
Ito,
entrails.
nasa lubong tayo.
Might want to look into your bottom
Did you
tower.
notice?
Yeah, pop.
Look at those structures.
Salamene commands.
Dito, dito.
Teka, wait.
Death approaches. The night sees all.
Ito.
Night sees all.
Kagindayo. Okay.
On the
Kaya na pala eh.
we ride.
Yun o, sa top oh.
Tara.
Uy, uy, uy. May vision pala doon.
Paano makulit?
Sa akin yan. That's mine.
Inahabol
pala
ako!
nakukuha.
Inahabol ako!
Hindi pala nakakuha yung target nung ano, duel. Kahit kinol ko na.
Tatanong ko. Ay, nagulit ako. So yan, kakakill tayo tapos walang nangyayari. Ba't gano'n?
Tama.
Tayo nakaka...
Ready for battle once more.
Blink na yung LC, no?
Illuminate. Attack.
Ayun o.
Nakasabay sa mapa.
Significant.
Kaya nga.
Stalking.
Dito na tayo daan. Dito tayo sa wave.
For the night.
Wala na. Ay, buset!
Galing, duling.
Uy, shit.
Push na tayo, pwede na tayo.
Plan.
Dyer's fortified their structures.
Dito lang yun.
Minahuli, minahuli.
No good for
LC, jump,
Palman niyo mo.
LC, jump.
Shit.
Pupo.
Kung tayo dyan.
Masyadong
tayo.
advance yung
Full back,
Lion.
Full back.
Quickly now.
Pwede tayo mag-re-engage. May ulti ako.
Sige.
Smoke tayo. Meron ba?
Let's go.
Wala rin na siya.
By starlight sees all. On the hunt. By starlight.
Ito. Ito.
Shit. Na-dodge, grabe naman yun.
Pwede yan, pwede yan.
Ah, shit.
Akin.
Grabe, na-dodge.
Middle tower's taking a beat.
Call tsaka ano.
You know, just because your tower's being attacked,
Mali-mali ang ano ko.
it's gone. Looking good out there.
Oh, Messi.
Your middle tower
Your
might need a
middle
little
tower
attention.
is under attack.
Parang di naman smurf yung Mipo.
Smashed all
Ano
the
yung
time.
ags ng Mipo? Mega Mipo.
Yung ano yata.
Might want to haul ass over to your top tower.
Right one.
You people, I'm using the term loosely here. I know you're probably a giant pink bat or a robot made out of fairy water or whatever, but you people need to handle this, and I mean yesterday.
Pag-BKB na oh. Sana all.
Quickly now.
Tangina lahat ng carry natin nung nakaraang game. Ayaw mag-BKB, buwisit.
Good plan.
BKB for what? Ayun.
Even 1v1 daw sila sa top eh.
We ride.
Ito lang mahirap sa kasabay may puto wala ka ma-jungle.
Let's go.
Yun na.
Hindi na duel. Help this guy.
Ito na yun.
Okay. Isang Dota 5.
Okay, okay.
Uy, tinip pa.
Yes.
Ah, dinanan. Buisit ka. Jajunglein yan.
Yes.
Kamainis.
On the ground.
I want to look into your bottom tower. All right, bottom tower's down.
Stalking.
Top tower's down.
Ross?
You just hate to see it.
Absolutely. For the night.
Sabot,
Sa top,
nakalagay.
diba?
I want to look into your bottom tower.
Bot ba yun?
Yeah.
Sabot ko yan.
Ano sa top pag umaga?
Oh no.
Yes. Heads up.
Buisit.
Oo.
Unworthy. Let's go.
Sorry, jutay kayo.
Pwede yan eh.
Yeah.
Ayun na.
Oh no.
We run. We run.
Naligo ako
We
dun
run.
sa ano.
Shit!
We run, we run, we run.
Middle tower's
Your
taking a
middle
beat.
tower is under attack.
Are you letting
What
them
kind
do
of
this?
skipper are
I mean,
you?
if this is an
Look
emergency,
who's
say no.
talking.
Keep my mouth shut. Bottom tower's
Your
under attack
bottom
there.
tower is under attack. Don't let them dismast you.
Goods are on sale.
Middle tower
Your
might
middle
need
tower is
Not
under
yet
attack.
complete. Let's go. Quickly now.
Lincoln yata ako dapat. ah.
What do you see? We ride. A harvest moon. On the hunt.
Uy, wala akong ma-jungle eh.
Vengeance flies this out.
Yes,
Vengeance.
Nilinis ng ano, kalaban.
the night sees all.
Sabi niya.
Illuminate. On the prowl. Stalking.
I will soon be
Boom.
We ride.
Tag pa lang yung board.
Yes, for Dark Moon. Night sees all. Crescent Steel. Good plan.
Baka
Let's
gulat ako.
go. Here. Far the night. Here. What do you see? Yes. Who dares? Quickly now. Let's go. Attack. On the prowl.
Huwag ka 28, kunin ko XP neto.
By starlight.
Hey, your top
Something
tower's under
bad
attack.
is happening to your top tower.
Let's see how this plays out. Maybe it's just a
Wala,
very stupid trap.
majangil.
Absolutely.
Your top tower
Your
just
top tower just got
Oh,
sent
no.
to
I
the
said that tower
bottom.
was a part of it.
Neko.
Pwede tayo mag-fight sa top. Ang TP sa babae necro.
Stalking. The night sees all. Yes, weakling. Blessings upon a loyal warrior. Far the night.
Bumang.
On the hunt. Stalking. Absolutely. Yes.
Ako.
Let's go.
Naku po. Ashes. Long.
Here.
Papalagon ba natin? Huwag na.
On
Low yung
Linggo,
LC.
nandito.
Sige nga.
what do you
Kung gusto mo, di ako. Gagi.
Ala!
we ride? Good plan.
Eclipse.
Bottom tower's under
Did
attack
you
there.
notice they're attacking your bottom tower?
Quickly now. Aye.
Might want to look at
By
your
Help
bottom
your
tower.
bottom tower.
Bottom tower's under
Did
attack
you
there.
notice they're attacking your
Yeah.
bottom tower?
Illuminated by starlight heart. I'm going to be merciful. The night sees all.
Might want to look at
Incoming.
your bottom
Help your bottom.
Let's go. Far the night. Absolutely. Yes. On the hunt. Yeah. Yes. What do you see? Let's go. Good plan. Quickly now. Fear the moon. Here. Red moon. We ride. On the prowl.
Take me. 'Tis boring.
Kapit.
Yes. Absolutely. What do you see?
Ito pwede to oh.
The night sees all.
Kalma, 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 kalma. Lahat miss.
Shiny!
Bebait lang.
Illuminated.
Lapit na Lincoln ko.
On the hunt. Stalking. Yeah!
Yun na sinasabi. Yun na sinasabi.
By starlight. Unworthy.
Ganyan sa pala.
Good
Walang
plan.
MK.
Sente.
Pwede tayo gumawa.
Oo, pwedeng ko walang MK.
Tormentor yata sila.
Taka, 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 taka.
Smoke pa?
Taka, taka,
We
smoke.
ride.
Gusto makikita sa wave.
Quickly now. Let's go. Pia. Yes.
Nice one.
For night you're
Nice one.
Welcome into the earth.
Tayo mag-torme?
absolutely.
Pwede.
Let's go.
Yun, sarap.
Sarap-sarapi.
No mercy. Pia.
Yung MK yun.
Bottom tower's under attack there.
Yes.
Wala sa jungle yan.
For the night.
Saan?
This will hurt. On the hunt.
Dito, malapit
You
dito.
won't escape.
Kami.
Push yung wave.
Who dares?
Ayun.
Ayun, baba.
They will find my blade sharp and cruel.
Wala.
Good
Mahirap
plan.
na abulin yan.
Ito. Hold mo lang sa may puno eh.
Let's go.
Hindi mo talaga makikita yan.
Stalking. The night sees all
Wala.
by starlight. Pia. Quickly now.
Sige, may ano ako. May Lincolns man na. Medyo ako. Pwede ako mag-angas-angas.
Yes.
Oh,
Ito.
dyan ka. Dyan.
On
Nice one. Ito pa, Joe.
BKBM eh.
we ride.
Kaya pa yata i-tier 3 eh. No?
Let's
Meros
go.
ba?
Matras siya. Matras. Geros. Pwede
Rush on top.
naman. Pwede naman.
GG na stock.
Quickly now. Yes.
Buwang walang patch.
Red moon. Insignificant.
Wala ata siyang bala.
Hindi sumama yung main ko.
Good
Nabuhay
plan.
na rin eh. Lane kuya.
Sige lang.
Pia.
Sa mid sila.
Kunin ko na?
TP mid MK.
Wait lang. Marami-rami itong
Absolutely.
Nandyan sila, kompleto.
Okay.
By starlight. Heads up. Yes. Far the night. The night sees all. Illuminated. Stalking.
Oops. Gosh. Ah, hindi. Ikaw pala.
You know.
Ikaw pala.
Stalking. Far the night.
Nandun doon sa baba dalawa. Pwede yata tayo dito.
Kaya nga eh, pwede.
For the cause.
Malayo sila. Split sila.
What do you see?
Smoke entry ba o diretso na lang?
Pwede kayong, lumikod sa akin.
Yes. Good plan. Yes. Quickly done. Run to the beam. Thanks.
MK?
To the block they go.
Tap.
On.
May MK?
Ito.
Ito,
Yun na lang, yun na lang.
may vision sa,
They will fear me.
river.
Taste my steel.
Naku po.
Yeah.
Sa parang Mips.
By starlight.
Shit! Kate!
Kati ka. Lalabas ako saan. Boom. Boom. Ay, ko pa sa Dota 5.
Ang ina pala nito mga to. Ay,
Their middle tower is down. Might want to look into your bottom tower. Perfect example. See,
Force
this
buyback.
right here. This is what you want to attack there. Maybe don't let him do it without him down. That wasn't just business. That was perfect. Smash that middle there to the beast.
We run.
Maray, medyo masakit ha. Kala ko kaya ko.
That was a master class of little berries.
Hoy, JB, huwag ka na mag-fight.
Good stuff.
Sa Dota 5.
Sad pile of ground. Still, they should be respected.
Oo, okay.
Wala pa ng buyback. Sa round.
Nalungkot oh. Disconnect agad eh.
One last.